everybody. Today I'm gonna be showing you my favorite planes. So let's get started. So here's the review about it. This is a boy or a girl toy. So let's get started. So here's these two handlers here that you might not know what it could be for. So let me show you what it is. So these two cones come with the set. So let's just put one there. Now let's see if I can just interview this like that. So that's how you do that. So that's my employer. So there's two of these cones, if just in case y'all need them for this airplane. Now let's interview the plane. So here's this big shooting thing that just flies out of it. So then there's this blue button here, and there's this red button too that helps the communities like that. And there's these spinning things here that can spin. Cool. And there's these big old flies here, big old wings. And what I like about this plane that there's also these things too. So I'm gonna interview that now. So this is how it works. So these are the two planes there. And now there's another one in this other side. That's how it is, and you can fly it however you want. Then there's this big door here that you can open it up, and in this door you can put everything you want. So as you can look inside here, there's these buttons here, and there's a seat too. So it might be a little interesting to put something in there. I always like to put my cones in here, so let's do it. So we can just pretend that these are cone people. Cone people, yeah, that'd be cool. Cone people. Cone people. So let's just put it in here. Close it. Ding. And it's done. I like this because it's like a rocket ship window. Like, yeah, so that's really cool. So let me interview the windows here. That's the window there. As y'all can see there, it's the window. Y'all can just read this. So yeah, let me just open this thing up. And this is the interview of the window. There it is. Very cool. So put the and there's the interview. And back up here, there's these two funny things here. And we can pull that in, so if you don't want. And let me make a show. I'm making a show. Well, I'm making a show right now. I'm making a show right now. I'm making a show. So yeah. I hope y'all like the show. So I'm gonna be making the show right now. So you'll see you next week. Peace.